Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a repository in GitHub. Deleting a repository in GitHub is permanent, so proceed carefully. Start by opening the repository you want to delete. Click the Settings tab on the top right of the repository page. Scroll all the way down to the quote-unquote danger zone section. You'll see an option that says, I want to delete this repository. Click it, and a confirmation dialog will appear. There will be several instances of GitHub trying to confirm if you actually want to delete it. Click I have read and understand these effects. And then GitHub will permanently remove the repository and all of its issues, branches, and pull requests. It's a good idea to back up your project locally before doing this. After deletion, the repository's name becomes available again if you want to reuse it after. And that's how to delete a repository in GitHub.